Hey there and welcome. Today we tackle Figma and find out if it truly can speed up your design process, workflow, and save you time on your next project. Figma is a browser-based design software that allows you to design, prototype, and gather feedback for your web and app designs all in one place. It is available on virtually every operating system because you can launch the software in your web browser. But for those of you app lovers like myself, they also offer a desktop version. In this video, I'm going to provide you with an overview of the user interface, and then we're going to test drive the platform by building out an interactive quiz. All this starting now. In this tutorial, I'm going to be using the desktop version. When you first open Figma, you'll see that the first view that pops up is the recent view. Here, Figma has preloaded some helpful files to get you started in the platform. And that is just what these thumbnails are, previews of files. There are several ways to start a new file. You can go to the very top left of the app window and click on the plus sign. You can click on the plus sign next to the drafts in the left side panel. And you can click on the plus sign in the upper right hand side of the app window. Or you can avoid all plus signs because you're just feeling negative today and click on File, New File at the very top left of your monitor screen. There actually is one more way of doing this, and it's my favorite, Command N. When a new file opens, you'll see a large canvas in the center of your screen, a toolbar at the top, and then two dynamic panels on the left and right sides that update based on your interactions with the items from the toolbar or the elements on your canvas. At the very top left of your toolbar, you will have several icons. We have the traditional hamburger menu, which has the same menu drop downs that you would see across the top left of your monitor in an app like Photoshop. They are just arranged here in this format for consistency with the browser version of the app. To the right, you have your move tools, which allow you to move things on and around your canvas and frames. The resize tool within the move tool specifically allows you to resize elements proportionately without needing to have to hold down the shift key. To the right of that, we have the region tools. By default, the button is set to frames, which is where we are always going to want to start. In other programs, this may be referenced as an artboard. Now you can manually draw out a frame, or more common options is to reference your right side panel and select a popular screen or device size. You also have the option of creating a frame from an existing element on your canvas. The slice tool allows you to draw a square or rectangle anywhere over your canvas and export anything within the confines of the slice. To the right of that, you have your shape tools, where you can select from a variety of pre-created shapes or where you can upload an image as a shape. FYI, all images are shapes in Figma. You also have the option to draw your shapes using the drawing tools. The pen tool acts similar to the pen tool in Illustrator, only slightly different in what many think to be a good way. Or you can use the pencil tool where you can freehand your shapes and designs. Then you have your text, hand, and feedback tool. The text tool is self-explanatory, the hand tool allows you to click and drag around your canvas, and the feedback tool allows for you to pin a comment anywhere on your canvas. On the far right of your toolbar, you have a share button to generate a link or invite others to collaborate with you on your file. And you have a play button to preview or present your design and navigate through the prototype if you have linked frames together. Now for our panels. In the left panel, you have your layers list where you can arrange, remove, and duplicate your layers along with other layer options. You have an Assets tab that allows you to have quick access to your already created libraries and components. And finally, you have Pages, which allows you to add an entirely new canvas or page to your file. Finally, you have the all-powerful right panel. Similar to every design tool out there, you have element-defined controls that allow you to manipulate positions, widths, heights, alignments, colors, fonts, font sizes, effects, and many other common customization controls. Now, Figma is a popular free option for creating all types of designs, the more common and popular being app and web designs. And now it is time for me to put this app to the test. In 2020, does it still stand with the big players? Let's find out. So to recap, today we briefly went over the user interface and then we put Figma to the test to see if it could speed up our overall time when designing our interactive quiz. And it did. To see other Figma tutorials, please be sure to leave a comment below. If not, let me know what you would like to see next. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos around this topic or other web design tools, concepts, and strategies, then please subscribe and be sure to hit that bell to be notified as soon as they are released. My name is Rich, and thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I look forward to seeing you next time.